and welcome to another edition of Applexus's Expert Series. I'm Elizabeth Frattantuno, and I will be your host and moderator for today. And with me is Shelley Schwartz, the practice lead for Applexus's Retail Practice. Shelley, thanks for coming back on the show.
Sure. Hi, Elizabeth.
So last time we met, we talked about CAR and what it is and the add-ons and all of those things. But I wanted to ask you today about who are the best candidates to implement CAR.
Sure. So really, there are two obvious groups of candidates for CAR. People who have SAP's POS data management or POSDM currently, and the SAP retail client base who need to have sales audit and then follow on with these focused add-on omni-channel support and planning applications that we talked about last time. With the retirement of POSDM around the corner, it may not be tomorrow, but it's still coming around. It's really best to take advantage today to implement this better foundation. And then you can assess what other use cases best suit you going into the multiple applications by choice and by your priorities. So CAR has been one of the fastest selling SAP solutions ever brought to the marketplace. There's over 700 customers now, and it continues to be the platform for SAP Retail's solution extensions and additional apps. And that's due to its unique ability to support ever-changing business requirements without going to your ERP to make those changes. So those are the two obvious groups.
Great. So it would appear that you need the SAP ERP backend to implement CAR. Is that really true?
Well, no, because there's another whole group who could be using SAP CAR. While CAR is positioned by SAP to work with SAP Retail, either ECC or S4, Applexus has implemented CAR with non-SAP backends for both master data sources and posting to non-SAP GLs. That's a more complicated implementation due to the non-standard interfaces needed, but we've shown that there is no problem doing this. So that really broadens the base for gaining the benefits of CAR to almost every retailer to support omni-channel.
Great. That's good to know. And it's great news for those retailers that haven't yet adopted SAP. So Shelley, thanks for coming on the show today. You've given us some great things to think about. And I would invite you back to talk about maybe how you implement CAR and where the first steps are. So I want to thank you for coming on the show today and thank our viewers for being with us today and hope to see you on the next program.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
Great.